What are you making?
This is going to be a glass sculpture of a like a goblin head.
Oh, can I
Right now,
see?
I'm doing the prep work for it. Yeah, you can feel free to watch. I need to like make a bunch of stringers to make his ears and his eyebrows with. So what I am doing right now. Just have a
Oh
much thinner.
man. So how much take time to make a
Like the final product of this, like from start to finish, is probably around like 45 minutes to an hour.
45 minutes?
This is just the prep work of it, and I sell them for like $100 American.
Or $100 you can sell.
Yep, that's the retail price of them. Sometimes I wholesale to places.
So it's
Need
your
another little.
family business?
It's something I went to college for this, and I've been doing it for almost 17 years.
17 years you are doing this business.
Yep, for a full-time job.
You need assistant or you are doing alone?
Just myself, whatever I can make.
You can hire me as an assistant.
Yeah, that's the thing is, it costs so much to train somebody to do this that usually people have to pay you to learn how to do it.
I want to
And
learn.
usually people do apprentice with people and come up that way. But I was lucky; there was a college program I could take that kind of taught me the basics of it. All right, got that. I got that. I need a little piece of white. Is right here. That'll be his teeth. So I have making sure I have everything I need before I get started making the main body of it. Eyes, ears, eyebrows. Yeah, that should do it. Let me see if I have a semi-finished one over here.
Yeah, I love to.
No, I do. I just don't know where the hell I put them when I cleaned everything up. But this is kind of like weird sculptural stuff.
Wow.
Just little experiments. Although this is a fancier piece I've been working on for a little bit now.
Wow, man.
Every side's kind of like got a different design to it.
Oh, it's a very unique design.
Hey. And then eventually it will have a bottom and a lid that closes down on it. But that's all just taking like rods of glass and just stitching them together in a frame in the flame. And yeah, that's like days of work went into making that guy. All right, I'm going to take a quick break before I start this long project, but it was nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you.
Have a good one.
Bye bye.